Right, brother. So, who have we got here? Mazin.
Hey, how are you?
So, we are here at Mornington.
Yes, sir.
We're going to go for a hike. Our friend Mazin is here, came all the way from Malaysia.
Yes, sir.
He's been here for 3 months. So, we're going to bring him here to explore Mornington. We're going to get some good drone footage and see how's the hike like. Yeah, we'll explore from there.
There you go, Vishnu.
What's up, brother?
Hi, how are you?
Good. We're in Mornington right now.
Yes, sir. We're hiking.
Going for a hike.
Yep.
And the
Exciting.
main area will be finding. The main thing is to find if there's a place to fly our drone
Yeah, actually, yeah.
and probably get to a point or something.
I'm sure there are places like we can keep going.
Yeah, probably
And-
we might go to a hill point or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Find out.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
We're gonna go for a slow hike.
Slow hike.
The journey is probably gonna take about an hour or so.
Yep.
And it's about 216 kilometers.
Yep.
And 204 will be about 5 kilometers.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect. Vibing so far. Loving the scenery. Beautiful, man. It's beautiful. I've never been to this spot, you know. It's always in the city, but never nature. But yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks, Vishnu. Let's do it. All good.
You're gonna put. There's a lot more hiking trails to explore.
Actually, yeah, you're right. There's a lot more, bro. I can't wait. I'm actually pretty excited for it. Yeah. Thanks, man. Let's do it. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Hi.
How's the hike so far, mate?
Oh, to be honest,
Still alive?
I'm still alive. That's something, you know. Come on. I'm still making it through.
Yeah.
It's just a bit exhausting, but I'm loving it.
Yeah.
I'm loving the experience. The scenery is beautiful.
You can't,
Yeah,
you can't really get tired of the scenery at the back.
Honestly, it's actually one of the best places I've ever been in Melbourne.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right. So we're about halfway from Bushrangers walk to Cape Shack. Probably hike about 1 hour. Gonna take another 15 minutes to finish that. 15
Around-
minutes. Yeah.
around
You
that
can see the Cape Shack from here as well.
Yeah, it's actually pretty.
So how's the hike so far, mate?
Oh, honestly, it's an enjoyable experience. I never experienced this like this before. So I'd say, yeah, thank you for bringing me here, man. Honestly, it's actually a pretty nice experience.
Yeah.
The view is amazing as well. Come on.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, it's like one of the best places. And I think the Cape Shack would be even better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is. Last we've reached Cape Shack, the back, the lighthouse. Let me see if I can zoom to the lighthouse. Yeah. What do you think about the lighthouse?
Lighthouse, I mean, I've heard them say it's a very ancient lighthouse. I think
Yeah.
160 years old, if I'm not mistaken.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And it's built out of limestone.
Limestone, yeah, definitely limestone. And it's quite impressive, man.
It is still working, by the way.
It is so, yeah, that's amazing, you know. Crazy.
So at last we are almost finishing our hike, which is started hiking from Bushrangers. It took about 10 kilometers. It took a total of 5 kilometers one way. Back and forth will be like 10 kilometers. There's like a path to the beach. How does it feel so far?
Oh, you can tell from my face right now. I'm enjoying it, definitely. It's an amazing experience, but the thing is, I'm just a bit exhausted.
Thank you so much for sticking till the end of the hike. I hope you enjoyed the adventure as much as I did. There are plenty more exciting journeys coming up, so stay tuned. If you got any travel suggestions or places you would love to see, drop them in the comments below. It truly means the world. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.